Hello everybody, welcome to the Drunken Sailor Cocktail Channel. If you haven't been here before, I'm Bill, I'm the Drunken Sailor, and what we do is make cocktails at home, in our home bar. Well, it's been hot, it's been scorching hot, and we've been looking for something refreshing on a hot summer day. I got it, it's a margarita. Well, this margarita comes to me from one of our favorites, and this is, if you haven't heard me say it before, this is my new favorite cocktail book. It is filled with some of Sammy Hagar's greatest cocktails. This one is perfect for today. It's a margarita. This is a cocktail that's going to take you right out of the desert with a little bit of a cactus twist to it. Today we are making the Desert Pear Cocktail, and it's right here in this cocktail book. So, if you want to see great recipes, make sure you find this book. I've got a link for the book right here for you. I'm going to grab my shaker and let's get pouring. The first ingredient we're going to put in there is some freshly squeezed lime juice. We are using fresh because those make the best cocktails. We're going to put in there 1/2 of an ounce. I'm next going to follow that up with a sweet and sour mix, and that's parts of lemon juice, lime juice, and simple syrup. We're going to put a hefty amount in there. This is going to use 2 ounces. Now this is the kicker. This is the one that gives us a great flavor to it. This is a prickly pear syrup. Now, I tried sourcing prickly pear. I can't find it. I had to go out and I had to buy the syrup on it. We are going to use a full 1.5 ounces in here. This is what's also going to give this cocktail the beautiful color you're going to see. And we're going to put in there 1.5 ounces. Next ingredient going in there is just a scant touch of Cointreau. It is a margarita, so we're going to put some orange liqueur in there. Like I say, just about 1/4 of an ounce. My next ingredient following up in there, and this is our last ingredient going in there, and you can use a couple of different options here. You can use a straight mezcal if you want a nice smoky flavor to it. Sammy Hagar in his Santos brand makes a mezquila. It's a combination of a reposado tequila and a mezcal that's got a nice smoky flavor to it, and it's got a great flavor combination to it. The other one, which is really hard to find, is a style of tequila called the Bacanora. That's got a smoky flavor too. You got to look real hard to find that one, but we're going to put in here 1.25 ounces. That is everything we need in the shaker, but what we're going to do is we're going to get some ice in here, and we are going to shake it up and chill it down. We're going to put lots of ice in there. We want this really cold. And give this a great shake. We've got a lot of condensation on the shaker tin. That tells us we're there. Now, what I need to do is get my glass ready. I've had a margarita glass over here, and I've got it chilling. Got some ice in there. I got some water in it. It's making it nice and cold for me. We're going to dump that out. I am now going to grab some white sugar, and that's what we're going to salt the rim on this with. So we'll grab a piece of lime. Just run it around the edge. Rim my margarita glass. And now we strain. Look at the amazing color on this one. I want every last drop of this one. And here we have our Desert Pear Margarita. Let me give this a taste and see how we did. I don't care if it's hot. I'm drinking 2 of these. It's got a lot of the margarita flavor to it, but that prickly pear juice just makes it a little bit sweeter, just a different taste that you don't get every day. The color, the taste, this one you're going to love. We're going to see you at the next cocktail. Cheers, everyone.